All right, we have another Lexus here. Customer mailed this in. It's going to be another Lexus Lost Key replacement. Basically, they sent us the door lock. We're going to end up making 2 keys from scratch to the door lock. Figure out what the mechanical cuts are, make 2 keys. And then we're going to go ahead and take the chip data that we're going to put in the keys, program it into this ECU. And at that point, it should be plug and play. I know some of y'all probably wondering why dealers are not doing it. I mean, it's plain and simple. They make more money selling locks or changing all your locks, and they make more money selling you a brand new computer that you don't need. It's plain and simple. I'll go ahead and reprogram this ECU. I'll put 2 chips into it so the anti-theft system will recognize it. And that's about it. If you're wondering, I've been doing this since the early 90s. If you look at our YouTube channel, you could probably see videos going back as far as, I don't know, maybe 10 years. That's just a guess. But there's a lot of videos dating back. I think we have over 500 videos by now. And that's about it. But anyway, I'll come back with a key made to this and the chips programmed into the box before I'm ready to ship it back out. Thank you. All right, we're back at this Lexus. 2 keys have already been they've already been programmed and cut from scratch. Make sure this is in there a little bit. This is what you want. You want the key to spring back. This is how you know you got a perfect key. Key 1, key 2. Now some of y'all may get people to make keys for y'all and the key gets stuck and then you got to turn it back. That ain't a properly cut key. I can tell you that now. Because it should do this. It should do everything the key you lost did. If you get somebody to make you a new key and it does not fit the glove box or it doesn't fit the trunk lock and your old key, the one that you lost, worked all those things, then whoever you got to make you a key didn't make you the correct key or the proper key. And that's about it. So these 2 have chips. So it'd be key 1, key 2. They're programmed into the ECU. Let me read the data. There you go, key 1 and key 2. So confirm chips are good. They read good. I've already checked them against the file inside the ECU, so the ECU will recognize it. So once you plug this unit in, or this customer plugs this unit in when they get it back, it'll just, once you stick the key in, the flashing light should go immediately out, which confirms that it's inside the anti-theft system and is ready to go. Now, if you plug this in and the theft light still flashing, you might want to check a couple things. You want to check the antenna ring around the ignition to make sure that's connected and that's working properly. Because if that's not working, the keys are not going to be read. And that's about it. You need my help, give me a call, go to the website, www.acmlocksmith group. Keep in mind, we do not provide tech support. So if you need somebody to tell you how to fix your car, might have to suggest you call your local dealership and they'll tell you what you need to know. Thank you.